Sup? Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing some Among Us. I know it is not recording the full screen, but that's okay. Okay, we are in a game with nearly 10 out of 10 people now, and oh my gosh, the speed is up so high. Oh my gosh. Okay, is he gonna start the game or what? Okay, we are starting up the game. Hopefully we get imposter, I really hope so, but if we don't, it's fine. Okay, we got crewmate. So we're just gonna go around and do our, tasks, so. What tasks do I have? Oh, I have medbay, so. People can watch me. Are visual tasks on? Hopefully they are, because I just did medbay. Okay, this guy's watching me do medbay, so this guy can clear me. Yeah, this guy as well is watching me, so we good. Oh my gosh. Oh, why are all the doors closed? They're gonna think it's me because I just went AFK. Shoot! Okay. What? Where? It's white. Okay, I'm not white. How is it white? It's a lime. How is it me? Lime scanned, yeah. This guy's trying to accuse me of trying to kill him. Yeah, it's Brown can clear me. Brown saw me scan. I'm just gonna skip because I really have no idea who to vote for, but hopefully I don't get voted out because that would really suck. On my first game. Oh, it was a tie. I'm so glad. Why would people actually believe that it's me? Okay, no one was ejected, so that's good. So we're just gonna go into our task like a normal person. Let's go to electrical and do our tasks. Hopefully no one just comes and kills me. Okay, let's get these tasks done. Hopefully we don't get killed by someone because I hate it going into electrical because most of the time it's always this dark in there, and where do I have to go now? A dead body was just reported while I wasn't recording, so blue. Where? I'm just gonna ask where it was before I vote. Killed on cams invented. Okay. Blue. If not blue, it's brown. Okay, blue. If not blue, it's brown. Let's just vote out blue. I'm gonna vote for him because I trust Brown because he's been like clearing me and stuff. So I'm gonna clear him. I can clear Brown because like Brown watched me scan. He had like a chance to kill me, but he didn't. How? Oh. How is it brown? Yeah, just vote out blue. I know he's lying, because, like, if he was on cams, vote orange. What? Why are you saying to vote orange now? Bruh. Why would he say blue and then tell us to vote orange at the last second? Okay, was he the imposter? Yes, he was. Okay. What is it now? They just called another meeting right when it happened. Okay. Okay, if he said it was brown, then I think it's brown. How? He was right. I hope it's not brown. I think it might be brown actually. He's pretty sus. I think it's either cyan or brown. Yes, I'm blue said it was B. Oh yeah, he meant brown. I was right. Yeah, but he might have been doing that just to clear himself. Maybe that was his partner. How is it orange? You know what? I'm not even going to vote anyone on this. I don't trust anyone right now. Okay, I guess we voted out orange without any proof. Oh, he was an imposter. He wasn't lying. My gosh. GG. So I guess Brown was telling the truth the whole time. I mean, whew. Okay. I really hope we get imposter because, like, what? Biden sucks was kicked by imposter. I have no idea why he just kicked that guy, but, okay. Bro, is this guy gonna start? Why I so fast? He set fast speed. This guy must not know what this game is. Or something. Oh, another crewmate. Okay, I'm fine with this. I'm just gonna go do my tasks. What? We only have one task? What? This guy only set it to one task? I think me and this guy have the same task. Okay, this will be easy. Okay, reactor meltdown in 25 seconds. Oh, what? People hopefully don't think that it was me. I'm just gonna say where. I think that guy, I think it was Black. Black. He killed out of electrical. No, it's Black. Trust me. Me and you and what was it? Cyan were in electrical. Then you ran out with him and he was dead. I'm just gonna vote Black. Hopefully people don't vote me out. Okay, good. Hopefully he was the imposter, or else I just screwed myself. Okay, he was. Good. People can clear me now. It's a good thing people didn't vote me out. So I'm almost done with all of my tasks. I'm just gonna go do this task, and let me know down in the comments if you want me to make more Among Us videos or what. The quality of the video probably isn't the best because I got a new computer and I haven't installed Screencast-O-Matic on it, so it's not going to be the best quality. But I'm going to try and make better videos. Let's just go on cams. We're done with our tasks. Might as well just... Oh! There's a dead body up there. I'm going to call emergency meeting. Ah, I can't. Okay. I think it might be blue. I really have no idea. Okay, who called it? I think it's blue. Okay. Yeah. I was on... I didn't see kill the... Okay, did he just leave the match? Or... What? How did we just win? What? Okay, so this is pretty weird. I think he just left the match. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he did. Okay, that was weird. Okay, what are we? Crewmate again! Okay, hopefully in the next video, if I ever make one. Bruh, I think I literally have the same task as I did last time. I'll have spare time because I won't have to go do tasks. This is a different way that I'm used to playing, so... I just hope there's not a stat kill because it's so hard to find out who did it. Okay, we just finished up all our tasks and Oh, blue, 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 blue. It's blue. Outside of shields. He ran, if not blue, me. I'm just gonna say that, because that usually works. Is it blue? Yes. Blue, then lime. Wait, what? Wait, if it's not him, then me. I hope that it's just not a misunderstanding, because he hasn't even said anything to defend himself, so pink, black, and cyan are safe. Skip? Why skip? I literally just found who the person was. Why would you skip? Okay, I hope they don't all skip. Please, cyan, just vote. Who is this person? Yeah, don't say. That's just weird. Okay, good. I hope that that wasn't a misunderstanding. Oh, oh, no! Oh! Oh my gosh! I didn't mean to do that! People are running from me, no! Please! No! I just screwed myself. I'm done. Why did I do that? Oh, now everyone thinks it's me. Are they gonna vote me out? Cyan, I'm done with my tasks. Olek, I wasn't security. What? Why is there only one task? Well, I'm falsely accused. I didn't mean to, though. I saw him run across body. Okay, I'm voting cyan. So, no, not that guy. Please just vote cyan. Please don't vote me out. They're gonna be so confused when it's not me. They're gonna be like, why did this guy tell us that? Okay, good. They voted cyan, not me. Okay, he was an imposter. They're probably gonna think it's me now. Gosh dang it. What? I swear if someone says where. Red. No, it's not me. Do you want to win? Saw red kill? Trust me, it was from last. Yeah. Okay, so red. Glitches? Okay. It's not me. I promise. My life. Oh my gosh, this guy is so stupid. He's gonna make us lose. No, it's not Liam. This guy can't even spell. Red, lime, red. Who is it? I'm just gonna vote orange. Ooh! We might have just lost. Okay, I'm running out of time on this video, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed, but okay. It's not me, bro. It's not me. Orange. No! Why me? Proof?